Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Chef. I'm so excited to share this game changer. A 15-minute quinoa salad that's not just quick but seriously delicious and healthy. If you're a busy 20-something like me, rushing between meetings and workouts, this is your new lunch hero. Packed with protein, fiber, and fresh flavors, it'll keep you energized without the crash. Today, we'll whip it up step by step, no fancy skills needed. Imagine biting into crisp veggies and nutty quinoa that tastes like summer in a bowl. Hit that like button if you're ready to level up your meal prep. Let's dive in first, grab your ingredients and let's get chopping. Alright, let's start with the base, cooking the quinoa. Rinse half a cup under cold water to remove any bitterness. It's like giving it a quick spa treatment. Then, in a pot, bring 1 cup of water or veggie broth to a boil for extra flavor. Trust me, it makes a difference. Add the quinoa, give it a stir, and lower the heat to simmer for about 12 minutes. While that's happening, we're prepping our veggies. This step is so satisfying, it's like therapy with a timer. Pro tip. If you're meal prepping for the week, double the batch. Smell that nutty aroma already? It's building excitement. Your body will thank you for this boost of complete protein. Keep an eye on it. We don't want mushy grains. Quinoa simmering away, so let's chop those veggies to add crunch and color. Start with 10 to 12 cherry tomatoes. Have them for juicy bursts in every bite. Dice 1 cucumber into bite-sized pieces. It's refreshing and hydrating, perfect for hot days. Finally, chop a handful of fresh parsley or cilantro for that herby kick. I love how it brightens everything up. If you're feeling adventurous, add some red onion for a sharp contrast, but keep it mild if mornings are tough. This is where the magic happens. Each chop is building layers of flavor. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. Think vibrant like your feed. These veggies are loaded with vitamins, keeping your skin glowing and energy steady. Who's excited for the assembly? Now for the protein punch, crumble about half a cup of feta cheese. It's tangy and adds that creamy element without much effort. If you're vegan, swap it for chickpeas or tofu, still amazing. Next, the dressing simplicity is key here. In a jar, squeeze juice from 1 lemon, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder. Shake it vigorously, it's like a mini workout. This zesty dressing ties everything together with bright Mediterranean vibes. I remember the first time I made this on a hectic Monday. It saved my day. Feel that citrus scent? It's invigorating. Quinoa's almost done, fluffed with a fork for lightness. We're halfway, the energy's building. Timer's up, drain the quinoa if needed and fluff it with a fork. This keeps it light and prevents clumping. Transfer it to a large bowl while warm, it'll soak up the dressing better. Now the fun part, assembly. Toss in those chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, and herbs. Gently fold in the feta so it doesn't crumble too much. Pour the dressing over everything and mix until evenly coated. Look at that colorful, textured perfection forming before your eyes. It's like a salad party in a bowl. This step signals we're nearing the good stuff. Nutritionally, quinoa gives you all 9 essential amino acids, paired with veggies for antioxidants. If you're watching your portions, this makes 2 hearty servings. Subscribe for more quick wins like this. Stirring time, use a big spoon to gently combine everything. You want the flavors to mingle without mashing the veggies. Taste and adjust, more lemon for zing, salt for balance. I always add a dash of honey if I want a touch of sweetness. It's optional but dreamy. This is where it transforms from ingredients to a meal that'll make your colleagues jealous at lunch. Imagine packing this up in a mason jar for portability. Layers keep it fresh. Healthy doesn't mean sacrifice, this is proof. Building excitement here because the climax is coming. That first plate. Share in the comments. What's your go-to quick lunch? Your stories keep me inspired. Almost there, friends. For extra flair, let's customize. Slice half an avocado for creamy goodness. It's healthy fats that keep you full. Toss in a handful of toasted almonds or walnuts for crunch. Toast them quick in a pan if you have time. These tweaks make it your own, like adding chickpeas for more protein if you're gym-bound. Variations keep things fresh. Try feta-free for dairy-free days. The bowl's looking irresistible now, full of colors that scream vitality. This recipe's flexible for whatever's in your fridge, saving money and waste. Feeling empowered yet? You're basically a chef now. As it chills for a minute, let's talk benefits. Fiber for digestion, low-cal for guilt-free indulgence. Pacing up plating next. Plating moment, the climax. Spoon the salad into bowls or jars. Garnish with a lemon wedge and extra parsley for that Instagram-worthy pop. See how the colors just shine? It's not just food, it's a mood booster. This serves too, but scale up for family or meal prep. Let it sit a minute to let flavors deepen. Patience pays off. I love eating this al fresco on my balcony after a long day. It's my self-care ritual. You've nailed a recipe that's ready in under 15 active minutes. Empowering, right? Like if this made you hungry. Now for the best part, tasting. Your kitchen smells amazing, anticipation is high. Time to taste. Fork up a big bite. The crunch of cucumber with soft quinoa, tangy feta exploding, lemon dressing tying it all in harmony. It's fresh, zesty, and so satisfying, like a hug for your taste buds. No heavy feeling, just pure energy. This is why I love quick, healthy recipes. They make wellness effortless and fun. If it needs tweaking, add more dressing. Share your twists below. Did you love it? The joy of cooking something nourishing in minutes is unbeatable. You've got this skill now. Use it to conquer your week, building to the end with full bellies and happy hearts. Look at this beauty, your finished quinoa salad, ready to fuel your day. It's versatile. Eat it cold for lunch, warm for dinner. Nutrition breakdown, under 400 calories per serving, high in fiber to keep you full till snack time. Perfect for our busy lives. I once took this to a potluck and it was a hit. Easy wins like that build confidence. If you're new to quinoa, start here. It's forgiving and forgiving on your schedule. Comment quinoa queen if you're trying it. Wrapping up strong, you've learned a recipe that's simple, scalable, and scrumptious. Meal prep pro tip: divide leftovers into jars for grab-and-go ease. Stores in the fridge up to 4 days. Portion control made simple. Add-ins like grilled chicken boost protein if needed. This recipe's a lifesaver for those no time to cook days. I share these because I know the struggle. Quick, healthy eating changed my routine. For variations, swap quinoa for farro or add seasonal fruits like berries in summer. You're capable of amazing things in the kitchen, believe it? Hit subscribe for more recipes that fit your hustle. Almost done, let's reflect. And that's a wrap on our 15-minute quinoa salad. You did it from chop to chow in no time. This is empowering cooking at its best, fast, healthy, and full of flavor. Thanks for joining me on Quick Chef. Your support means everything. Like if this inspired you, comment your favorite part and subscribe for weekly quick, healthy recipes to keep your plates exciting. Turn on notifications so you never miss a hack. Until next time, eat well, stay vibrant, and remember, small steps like this lead to big health wins. See you soon.